Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Friday and time to get spiced in Charan's Küche. Today we'll be preparing grilled tandoori chicken. Summer is coming. Get ready for the summer with some amazingly grilled chicken which can be prepared without a barbecue grill with an amazingly incredible flavorful yogurt marination blasting with Indian spices that can be cooked on a grill directly. No need of a tandoor or a barbecue grill. Perfect recipe for making grilled chicken indoors on the days when the weather is bad outside. So without any delay, let's get on to the video and let's get spiced. Here are the ingredients for grilled chicken. Chicken 700 grams. I have made some gashes and slits onto the chicken. Ginger garlic paste, fresh coriander, green chilies, yogurt, lime juice and some basic spices. For the marination, in a mixer we take 1 cup of yogurt. To this we add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We add now 1 to 3 green chilies and some fresh coriander to this. Fresh coriander and green chilies are optional. We add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder and some salt according to taste. Optionally to this, you can add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder to give it more color. We blend it all together into a fine paste. Once we have made the paste, we add this marinade paste to the chicken and mix it well. Make sure all the marinade is well mixed with the chicken. We add 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of lime juice to this and mix it well together. Cover it and keep it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or so. For the grilled chicken, once the marinated chicken is marinated for more than an hour, we will now grill the chicken. We take a grilling pan on high heat. We place the chicken once the pan is hot, one by one. We grill them on medium to high heat. Once there is a charred texture on the chicken, we reduce the heat and cook it properly. We turn the chicken once the charred texture is achieved on one side to get the same texture on the other side. We keep rotating them regularly so as to make it evenly cooked from inside. After approximately 30 minutes of grilling, we see that the chicken is well cooked and the color is also super nice. We grill other chicken pieces in a similar way. We serve it with onion salad or the onion lacha which we call, with some mint chutney. You can enjoy it with some naan. Grilled chicken is ready. Enjoy. So that was it for this week guys. I hope you guys like it. Please do try it at home and let me know how it was. Please subscribe to the channel for more such videos every week. Please follow me on Instagram at Charan's Küche where I regularly upload stories and reels from my upcoming dishes. Until next week with another interesting recipe for you guys. Stay safe, happy cooking and get spiced.